Welcome back, everyone. We have some more scrap videos to show you. We have a few clips right here, and the first one is this RV fridge. Oh my goodness. This one was a pain. So Mr. Volt picked it up, thinking that, it's just like any other scrap, but when he tried to take it in, no one wanted it. Okay, so I guess this is some type of special kind of fridge, and yeah, a lot of places they don't take it. So we were kind of stuck with this one, trying to figure out what to do with it. And they even wanted to charge us $150 to take it. So this big old thing right here, oh my goodness. It was huge. It was like bigger than the trailer. Luckily, the owners were able to load it up with the forklift, so that was an amazing help. Can you imagine like Mr. Volt just like picking this up and putting it on the trailer? Not even in the trailer, on the trailer. Taking it through the scales, it's really heavy. That was a big, big one right there. Yeah, the stuff that you find scrapping, sometimes it's small things and sometimes it's giant stuff. Alright, Mr. Volt is waiting for his turn to get into this scrapyard and unload it, however that's going to be. Luckily, he was able to get that lifted off with the forklift. And there it goes into the pile of scrap. Scrappers are amazing. Like the stuff that they save. And if people just want to, get rid of their stuff, they just leave it out. If you have metal, and you don't scrap, you just like watching scrapping videos, but you have metal, just put it out and somebody will find it. Somebody will come by and pick it up. We love when it says free. It gives you like the green light to go ahead and pick it up, take it in, and there you go, right there. $70. Okay, scrappers definitely do not need a gym. I mean, if you guys are lifting the kind of stuff that's, out there, this heavy metal stuff, then gyms are optional. This thing was so heavy. So Mr. Volt and our son both worked together to get this in there, and yeah, that was some teamwork right there. Definitely some super heavy stuff. So this is like different things in the scrapyard. You're gonna see like a whole variety of stuff. Let us know what you guys scrap for. Your favorite finds, best, worst, weirdest, anything like that. Make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for more. We do have a lot more videos coming out, so stay tuned for that. There's all this scrap getting chopped up into little pieces. Thank you to all the scrappers out there. You guys do an amazing job. There is so much out there. waiting to be scrapped and saved. Like I said, subscribe for more, stay tuned, like this video, and have a great day. Bye.